Good morning from Bangkok, Thailand. We haven't gotten our shopping fix in yet, so today we're going to be doing some more shopping. It's another slow day. We spent the first few hours behind our laptops working on more videos because we have a lot to catch up on. This daily vlogging thing isn't a joke.
Our laundry is also ready today, so we're going to get some drink, food, and then pick up our laundry.
We set our extra flowers out in the hallway, and now we find them in the lobby. They're using them as decoration out here. Back under the sketchy bridge. And to our new favorite, Thai iced tea spot. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's some good tea.
Our daily dose of Thai iced tea. I look forward to this every morning.
Could be us, but we have too much crap. Coming back for some more delicious soup. Beef noodle soup or barbecue?
Pork. Yeah, barbecue pork.
Okay. I don't know my meats. And then veggie rice noodle soup.
That was, again, really delicious.
Both of our mouths are on fire.
Yeah.
I can just feel my lips burning. They look red.
They look red, yeah. I couldn't even drink the soup because I was like starting to get a chili down my throat. Now we're going to go pick up our laundry.
Thank you. Laundry is done and folded for us.
Ooh.
Got back to the hotel with all of our laundry, and we're folding it back up and packing it back up in our little packing cubes. And I've been trying to do a backup of all of our footage to my server back at my parents' house in Albuquerque. And even though we have really good internet, and they have really good internet, with the distance halfway around the globe, it is taking forever. We're heading to the Platinum Mall, and once again we're heading to a brand new part of town we've never been to. There's, I think, Thank you. And there's our 2 tickets. So Google said it was going to be 8 baht each, and it's actually 10 baht each, and it looks like that's pretty common across all the buses, so I think Google's information is just a little bit out of date. They also always ask you where you're headed, so I usually have that pulled up on my phone and ready to show them so that I don't have to try and pronounce the names. Yummy let her hair down and she's feeling cute. This place just feels like they brought the market indoors and air conditioned it.
Everything here is so cute. And the prices are pretty good. I'd say they're better than the market we went to this weekend.
Platinum Mall Hall. Everything in this store is 60 cents. I finally convinced Yami to buy matching underwear with me, and I found out that I'm a triple XL here in Thailand.
Yeah, and I'm an XL. So. This jade ring cost about the same as these Cartier ones. Wink wink.
And Yami decided that her engagement ring is a little too flashy for travel, so now she's building up a collection of other less flashy rings. And peep the matching tattoos.
So here at the mall, I got some tinted lipstick, and I also got this dress, which is completely different from the style that I wear, but I'm gonna try to step out of my comfort zone because the girls here wear these types of dresses and they look really, really cute. So yeah, I think we finished and we're gonna head back. We'll see you back at the hotel.
And we are back at Family Restaurant. It was so good, we had to come again. And we're probably gonna come back again to try more food because it's so good.
And I was also told that they have mangoes this time for mango sticky rice.
And the promised mango sticky rice.
'cause I found my way.